Good morning, children. Welcome to the online class for the academic year 2021 to 22. Now, it is a time to start our lessons now. So, we will start our class with the first lesson, reading and analysis of maths. Reading and analysis of maths. First, we should know what is a map. What is a map? It is a representation of the features of the world. That is only. In this map, we are able to observe the physical features, rainfall, soil conditions, temperatures, population, and whatever the concept and whatever the theme we selected, that we observe in the map. And now we should know what is a photograph. I think you know very well about a photograph, what we click in our camera, from our camera. What is the difference between a camera and photograph and a map? Photograph, it won't tell us how the temperature is, how the weather on the day, and how much hot and how much cold on the day, and what is the population. That we can't observe. But in the map we can observe all this variation. That is only difference between map and photograph. Okay, now we have to know now about the map making. History of map making. When easily nowadays we want to go some places, new places. Then we are taking the help of a Google map. Is it right or not? Then, but the map making, how it was started, how it was this journey was started, we should know. It was prepared by maps, first time prepared by Sumerians. Who prepared maps? Sumerians. These Sumerians are the at present Iraq people. Sumerians are the at present Iraq people. Iraq is in Asia only. Okay. They owned so many temples. Large tracts of lands are there for Sumerian temples. So, they prepared the temples. Land is there now. So, that areas they wanted to show in the map. So, these are imprinted on clay tablets. The temple lands are imprinted in a clay tablets. In this way, they imprinted. Understand? These maps showed only the temple records only. Okay, next. And the first world maps, the earliest world maps are prepared by Babylonians. They are at present Iraq people. And Sumerians prepared 4,000 years back. And this Babylonians prepared world maps 2,600 years back. 2,600 years back. They also prepared maps on clay tablets. Only I will show you the picture. This one. It was the world map created by Babylonians. If you observe clearly, it shows some circles. That means they made just like as a round disc. I think you know about a disc. I think you play with the disc also. Disc means it is in a round shape. It is a round disc. In this it shows some inner circle. In that inner circle, beyond that, there was a bitter river. What is there? Bitter river. In that bitter river, we are able to observe 7 triangles triangular islands. 7 triangular islands they showed. We should understand that Babylonians are the first world map makers. Okay, in around this time only, Greek people also, Greek map makers like Anaximander and Hecataeus of Miletus, they prepared maps. In which way? By observing, by showing the direction, east, west, north and south. And these people, they also followed the ideas of Babylonian. Their ideas are similar to the Babylonian people. They showed, I will show you the map which was created by Greek people. 2000, Greek people prepared maps 2300 years ago. Try to observe this. Try to observe this map. Are you able to understand? Okay. In this map, how they prepared? These people are interested in travels. So, whatever the information they received at the time of their voyages or travels, they read out their description and the maps are prepared. That descriptions, the travel descriptions gave a good information for the map making. And along with that, along with the Greek, Romans also prepared maps. These people wanted to conquer the world. These people wanted to conquer the world. So they continuously made voyages and they captured some of the sea coast also. They know some places, but they don't know the interior places of that places. Just they entered into the sea coast, but they don't know the interior parts. These Greek prepared maps with the help of some lines. They are, I think, in the map we use this latitudes and longitudes. What are the lines we observe on the map? Latitudes and longitudes. Now if anyone asks you, I think we will say, what is the 0 degree latitude and what is 0 degree longitude? We can say very easily. But in the preparation of the latitudes and the longitudes, it is a very tough job. How did they prepare this? Latitudes and longitudes. First of all, we should know that. Longitudes, they observed. They took a list of the places where midday occurs at the same time. Midday. Then they joined that places where the midday timings are same. That lines they joined and they named it as a longitude. And how they prepared these latitudes? They observed the shadows. They observed the shadows and they joined that places. By the interaction of these latitudes and longitudes, we will get a grid. We will get a grid. With the help of that, Greek people prepared maps. To get accurate maps, it took 2000 years. For the perfection of the map making, how much time it took? It took 2000 years. It is not an easy task. It took 2000 years time. Afterwards, so many people. First, Sumerians prepared. Next, Babylonians prepared. Next, they Greek people follow. Greek people also prepared. Slowly, the remaining countries also started preparation of map. That we will discuss in the next class. Thank you, children.